Welcome to this tutorial on how to configure SMS settings and page settings. These sections allow you to manage customer communications through SMS and customize key pages across your e-commerce platform. Let's get started. Click SMS Settings from the General Settings dropdown to begin configuring your SMS options. From here, you can see the SMS Gateway page where you can set your SMS settings, enable or disable OTP, and test SMS. Then select SMS settings to configure the SMS service provider used for sending text message notifications and alerts from your platform. Use the Yes, No toggle to determine whether administrators should receive an SMS notification whenever a new user registers on the platform. Select Yes to enable notifications or No to disable them. This option controls whether users receive an SMS message after successfully creating an account. Set the toggle to Yes to send notifications or No to disable them. Use this setting to manage SMS alerts for new orders. Selecting Yes will notify administrators whenever a customer places an order, while No will prevent these notifications from being sent. This toggle determines whether customers receive an SMS confirmation when an order is placed. Choose Yes to keep customers informed or No to disable order confirmation messages. Then input a phone number that would receive a test SMS as confirmation. Click Update Changes to save all modifications made to the SMS settings. Click Test SMS to open the interface for sending a test. The Test SMS section enables you to verify that your SMS configuration is working correctly by sending a test message to a specified phone number. Enter a phone number that will receive a test SMS using the current SMS settings. Then select Send to send the test SMS to the specified number. Select Close to exit the test SMS interface after sending the message. You can also enable/disable the OTP section, which allows you to control whether one-time password verification is required for specific platform actions, helping improve account security and user authentication. If you want to enable an OTP, click on the Yes or No toggle button as shown. A pop-up would be shown asking you if you are sure. Click Yes to confirm enabling the selected SMS setting option. And that's all for the SMS settings section. We would now be moving into the page settings. Click Page Settings to open the configuration options for your website pages. From here, you can see all page configuration options and modify them if need be. Use this option to select the page that will serve as the main homepage of your website. Then proceed to select Home from the dropdown. This setting determines which page will display your blog content and articles. Then proceed to select Blog from the dropdown. Use this option to assign the page that will be used as your primary product shop page. Then proceed to select Shop from the dropdown. This setting controls which page will display your digital products and downloadable content. Then proceed to select Digital Product from the dropdown. Use this option to select the page customers will use to track the status of their orders. Then proceed to select Home from the dropdown. Click Update Changes to save all modifications made to the page settings. And that's a wrap on SMS settings and page settings. You've just learned how to manage SMS communication preferences, configure security-related OTP settings, and customize how important pages are displayed across your store. Next up, we'll be taking a closer look at the site settings and basic settings sections. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.